Hello, class. Okay, this problem here is from 9.1, number 13. Okay, so this one is still kind of getting us used to this whole confidence interval situation. It says express the confidence interval from 0.333 to 0.777 in the form of this little p hat plus or minus e. Okay, so what is happening here? So this is one where, again, I'm visual. I like to draw this out. So we're saying that this confidence interval is somewhere between 0.3333 and 0.7777. And then we have to calculate really in all the words. They're asking us for the sample proportion, which is going to be right in the middle of these. And then they're also asking us E, which is going to be like the difference on either side, like plus or minus a certain amount of percentage, right? Okay, so again, I know it's always confusing, like, am I supposed to do this in StatCrunch or what? But this one actually is really just still kind of getting down what is a confidence interval. It's not really actually asking you to compute much. They give you the confidence interval. They're just asking you to write it in a different way. So what the easiest way usually to do this, and when we first did this, I was like, you could do this a couple different ways. And you guys told me like you could even in theory like subtract them and then divide by 2. That would give you the E first. And then you could use that to subtract it away to get P, or you could add it. But usually the easiest way, I think the people where conceptually it's making the most sense for most people, and if you prefer it the way we did it in the first way we did it, if that makes sense to you, just keep doing that. That's fine. But really, I think the easiest way is to find the number in the middle, which again, they're just trying to make sure you understand that like for our confidence interval, the sample proportion is somewhere in the middle there, right? And then, well, exactly in the middle, really. And the number directly in the middle between 0.333 and 0.777 is 0.5555. And the way we get that is by adding those two values up, 0.333 and 0.7777, and then dividing by 2, okay? So the middle number P there is 0.555, and then we have to find out what E is. So you can do this a couple ways. You can say 0.5555 minus 0.3333. I feel like a crazy person the way I'm having to repeat these like numbers. They're weird numbers, but that's okay. So you could calculate it that way. You could also have maybe said the other way around. You could have said, oh, well, this will be the same thing as 0.777 take away 0.5555, also 0.2. Okay, so however you want to get that last part there is up to you. You can either take that P sample proportion in the middle and subtract away the lower end, or you could even take the upper end and subtract away the sample proportion. It's all good. Either way, you're going to get there in the long run. So this one is one, again, that, what did I write wrong here? Let me see what I wrote wrong. Did I do something wrong? Sorry. I was saying too many numbers. I'm losing it over here, guys. So I said it's supposed to be 0.333, just 3 of them, and just 3 of them, and 3 of them. Okay, there we go. That should do the ticket. So yeah, hopefully that makes sense to you. Again, that was 9.1, number 13. And when they give you the confidence interval and they're just asking you this question is really just asking you to rewrite it a different way. And we can do that. Okay, so can you post it on what else I can help you with before test 2?